Hey, what is up, everybody? I'm the Gamer Guy, and yes, it is a little late in the night, so I probably might not be as loud as I am. But we have something to hatch right now. Not the Entelodont. No. I do have lots of resources, so let's go look at our new animal. This is all the zoom I can go. So the name Gastornis means Gaston's bird in Greek. That's great. Oh yeah, leveled up. That's right. Okay. Leader. Whoa, gardens are pretty expensive, right? Oh my god. Okay. So let's put them to this. What? Cool of them, wouldn't I say? Let's go to a market and buy something. So there's Gastornis. Myolania. I'm gonna buy that thing. Let's go buy a Megalosaurus. That's gonna take 32 hours. So let's see. What? Oh, what? That sucks. We can do an aquatic if I wanted. There it is. Megalosaurus is gestating, so. Ooh, Gastornis. Entelodon is better than Gastornis, but seems weird that, it has ferocity points. Yeah. That's right, because it's a silver. Thylacosmilus. So, what if we did this? You know what? No, there are tournaments around here? Wow, that's odd. What? How come you're not getting any coins? Oh, it's probably not giving me coins. There we go. There we go. Filled them with a bunch of holes. Let's do the same over here. Well. Wait. Are we done? Yes, we are. Let's go buy something. But it's pretty big, eh? What? Instead of putting one of those, instead of putting a helicopter, I'll probably just put one of those things. Glitched? Whoa. Probably just go by the kelp bed. Do I have acropora coral? Don't think I do. They're kind of the same thing. Let's go. Then let's go and whoa. No. Correct. We're also going to need to put something around him. Put something around him to give him a bit of a bonus. I guess we can just go with 2 green seaweed or something like that. You know what? Oh, that's just... You know what? Let's put the plants in then. Here we go, as long as it can fit. You know what? I don't mind adding this thing. Give this guy a bit of a bonus. I'm pretty high on kill. Anything happening Jurassic? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Are they crazy? Yeah, but they're giving a good amount of XP. Whoa. Let's get a head start. Oh, yeah, and something else I did. Fully leveled up. Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoyed. See you guys later.